Hello and welcome to today's podcast. I'm excited to help you with driving English today. Driving is a big part of life in many countries. You need good English to drive safely everywhere. Whether you're getting your license or visiting new places, driving English is super important for your safety. Today we'll learn the most useful words and phrases. We'll practice real conversations you'll have on the road. Don't worry if you're a beginner driver. We'll start with easy words and build up to harder conversations. Get comfortable and let's take a journey through driving English together. Are you ready to start your engines? Let's start with the most important parts of your car. These words help you talk to mechanics. The steering wheel is what you hold to control direction. You turn it left and right to drive. Your brakes help you stop the car safely. The brake pedal is on the left in most cars. The accelerator or gas pedal makes you go faster. Press it gently to control your speed on roads. Headlights help you see at night and in bad weather. Turn them on when it gets dark outside. The windshield is the big window in front. Windshield wipers clean rain and snow off it quickly. Your turn signals or blinkers tell other drivers your plans. Always use them before turning or changing lanes. Road signs keep everyone safe on the roads. Learning these words can prevent accidents and save lives. Stop means you must completely stop your car. Look both ways before moving forward again at intersections. Yield means let other cars go first. Wait for a safe gap before entering traffic or turning. Speed limit tells you the maximum safe speed. Going too fast can result in expensive tickets from police. No parking means you cannot leave your car there. Find a legal parking spot to avoid getting towed. One way means traffic only moves in one direction. Going the wrong way is very dangerous and illegal. School zone means drive extra slowly near schools. Children might run into the street without looking first. Traffic lights control the flow of cars at busy intersections. Everyone must follow these important color signals. Red light means stop completely behind the white line. Wait until the light changes to green before moving. Yellow light means slow down and prepare to stop. Don't speed up to try beating the red light. Green light means you can go, but check for safety first. Look both ways before entering the intersection. Green arrow means you can turn in that direction safely. Other traffic will be stopped by red lights. Flashing red works like a stop sign at intersections. Come to a complete stop, then proceed when safe. Flashing yellow means slow down and drive with extra caution. Look carefully for other cars and pedestrians nearby. These phrases help you communicate clearly while driving with passengers or other drivers on the road. Buckle up means put on your seatbelt for safety. Everyone in the car should wear seatbelts at all times. Check your blind spot means look over your shoulder. Mirrors don't show everything around your car clearly. Merge carefully means join traffic smoothly and safely. Wait for a good gap before changing lanes completely. Watch out warns about danger ahead on the road. This phrase can prevent accidents and save lives quickly. Slow down means reduce your speed for safety reasons. Say this when driving too fast for road conditions. Pull over means move to the side of the road. Police officers might ask you to pull over safely. Buying gas is a regular part of driving life. These phrases help you communicate at gas stations effectively. Fill it up means put gas until the tank is completely full. This is the most common request at stations. Regular plus or premium asks about gas types available. Regular is the cheapest option for most cars today. Cash or credit asks about your payment method preference. Many stations offer discounts for paying with cash money. Check the oil means look at oil levels under the hood. Low oil can seriously damage your car's engine. Clean the windshield means wipe the front window clean. Most stations provide free squeegees and soapy water. Where's the air pump? Asks about tire inflation equipment. Proper tire pressure improves safety and gas mileage. Police stops can be scary, but polite English helps. These phrases show respect and keep situations calm. Good morning, officer, is a polite greeting when stopped. Always be respectful and keep your hands visible. Here's my license and registration gives required documents quickly. Have these ready before the officer asks. I wasn't speeding states your position calmly and clearly. Don't argue, but you can politely explain your side. Where's the nearest hospital? Asks for emergency directions urgently. Police officers usually know the fastest routes to help. I'm lost explains why you might be driving strangely. Officers often give helpful directions to confused drivers. Thank you for your help shows appreciation for assistance. Being polite can sometimes help you avoid expensive tickets. Finding parking can be challenging in busy areas. These phrases help you navigate parking situations successfully. Is this spot taken? Asks if you can park somewhere. Always check before parking in questionable spots. How long can I park here? Asks about time limits. Many spots have restrictions during certain hours. Do I need to pay? Asks about parking fees. Some areas require payment during specific times only. Where's the parking meter? Looks for payment machines nearby. Most cities use electronic meters for parking fees. I got a parking ticket means you were fined. Pay tickets quickly to avoid additional late fees and penalties. Parking garage is a building for car storage. These offer safe parking but usually cost more money. Car problems happen to everyone eventually. These emergency phrases can help you get assistance when needed. My car won't start describes a common problem. This usually means battery, fuel, or engine trouble. I have a flat tire means your tire lost air. You'll need help changing it or calling for roadside assistance. I'm out of gas means your tank is empty. Someone needs to bring gas or tow your car. I had an accident reports a crash or collision. Call police immediately and exchange information with other drivers. Call a tow truck, request vehicle removal service urgently. Tow trucks move broken cars to repair shops safely. Do you have jumper cables? Asks for battery help. Dead batteries can often be fixed with another car's power. Getting directions is a common driving conversation. These phrases help you find your way to destinations. How do I get to? Asks for directions politely. Be specific about your destination address or landmark. Turn left at the traffic light gives clear direction instructions. Traffic lights are easy landmarks for navigation. Go straight for 2 miles tells distance and direction. Miles and blocks are common distance measurements used. It's on your right side indicates location clearly. Left and right directions are essential for finding places. You passed it means you went too far already. Turn around safely and look for your destination again. Use GPS suggests electronic navigation help available today. Most phones have free GPS apps for driving directions. Learning driving English takes practice, but it's worth the effort. These words and phrases keep you safe. Start practicing these conversations at home with friends or family. Role-playing makes learning more fun and effective. Listen to English radio while driving to improve your listening skills. Traffic reports use many driving words. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Most people are happy to help confused drivers. Keep a small notebook with important phrases in your car. Review them during traffic jams or rest stops. Remember, safe driving is more important than perfect English. Focus on clear communication and careful driving always. Thank you for joining today's driving English lesson. Drive safely and keep practicing your English on the road.